और अब हम अनबॉक्स करेंगे साहिबा दास्तान कलेक्शन का डिज़ाइन नंबर 8. This is in very pretty hues, as you can see some hues. And okay, let's see. इसका खूबसूरत heavily embellished गला, as you can see the neckline. This is all heavily embroidered, heavily embellished, all handwork, clearly ravishing. This is the front panel जो आप देख सकते हो कली का. This is all heavy chikankari with heavily embellished work on it. Lovely. Check out the details and the colors and what delicacy in design they have. Nakshi, सब कुछ heavily done है. Truly festive. Let's move on to the next part, and that is the ghera lace. And for throughout the ghera lace and the sides, ये आप देख सकते हो sides पे clearly it is for that. इस पे भी sequin work और वो है. Now, interestingly enough, let's open up the laces for the sleeves. There are 3. ये आप देख सकते हो इस तरह used है, ये यहाँ भी used है. So there are laces for sleeves. और ये है आपकी कलियों की फिनिशिंग्स के लिए. This is all obvious in the design, the picture, but of course अगर आपने अपनी मर्जी करना हो तो आप different भी कर सकते हो. This is the daman ghera lace and the pearl finishings. Pearls, they are quite in abundance, so आप खुला लगा सकते हो आराम से all over the ghera and sleeves. Beautiful. इसके statement tassels look like they're going to be my favorite. They're so pretty and modern and stylish. ये आप देख सकते हो. ये और भी अंदर पर. Let's wind up and move on to the next. This is the बाजू के लिए जो जैसे घेरे की ये वाली आ गई. Clearly you can see it here. And the sleeves fabric. Let's move on to the next part. ये आपकी कलियों के लिए और बैक के लिए चिकनकारी फैब्रिक है throughout. ये heavy, इस पे भी sequin work है. Very delicately done and very decently done. Very summery, very pretty and posh. This packet is going to be quite interesting too. ये आ गया जी इसका दुपट्टा है. This is the beautiful organza dupatta with all the funny trimmings. And of course the undershirt and the trouser fabric.